from the global resources of ABC News with Terry Moran, Martin Bashir, and Cynthia McFadden in New York City.
And now a story about butter and weight loss, but not in the way you might think. Tonight we meet a scientist who observed the way that delicious dairy product firms when chilled, and then he made a logical leap that could have huge implications for dieters everywhere because it involves removing your love handles by freezing them. Here's Claire Shipman.
We battle it, we obsess about it. We try to diet it off or work it off. We rename it muffin tops, love handles. We glorify the absence of it, but as a nation we have too much of it. Fat. It's our national preoccupation. And who hasn't fantasized about a quick, painless way to zap those frustrating extra handfuls of us? Barbara Knoth's a 64-year-old school teacher who's not much into fancy cosmetic procedures. But Barbara got fed up with a trouble spot that just wouldn't melt away, even with diet and exercise. So since she couldn't burn it off, she froze it off. That's right, a deep fat freeze. Meet Zeltiq, a revolutionary new technology that's wiping out those unsightly rolls by freezing the fat until the cells give up and die.
When I explain it, they say, does this really work? But the patients we've done, they've just been ecstatic.
The machine works by literally sucking up a handful of fat. It's a vacuum-like sensation. And slowly lowering the temperature for about an hour. In Dr. Jalaman's Manhattan dermatology office, it costs $750 to $1,500 a session, depending on the size of the area. The results can be impressive. The lack of pain and recovery time have made this one of the hottest treatments, so to speak, that the doctor offers. But the results aren't immediate, cautions Dr. Jalaman. They can take 5 to 8 weeks.
I actually had the technology tried on me, and I kept thinking, it's not working, and I wondered, is it really going to work? And then, of course, it did, and I was very pleased.
I know your fat is being frozen. Does it feel like you have some gigantic ice pack freezing?
No, you don't feel any cold whatsoever.
So easy, but the procedure's not for everyone.
We speak to our patients. We are very clear to tell them that if they're eating 4,000 calories or 10,000 calories, they can't continue that. So this is not a license to eat as much as you want, eat all the junk food you want.
And when you first read about how the technology works and did some research about it, did you think this is crazy?
I said, well, it was developed at Mass General. It's Harvard. It's very prestigious. The scientist who worked on it was, is very well regarded in dermatology.
So this yellow stuff is the fat. And
so we went to meet that scientist to figure out how all this works. Dr. Rox Anderson may not look like a sleek beauty expert, but from inside his lab, his curiosity has led him to create more ways to make you look better than just about anyone else on the planet. He invented, among other things, laser hair removal and tattoo removal.
If you pay attention to Mother Nature, she's already done all the good experiments. You just have to kind of listen to her.
And that's what his scientific brain did this time, too. He was intrigued by two seemingly simple things, popsicles and butter. He'd read about popsicle panniculitis, when children left too long with popsicles inside their mouths lose some of the fat inside their cheeks. And then the properties of butter.
If you leave your butter out on the table at room temperature for a while, it's nice and soft, and you can spread it on the bread. Put it in the refrigerator, it gets hard.
In other words, fat freezes before water or skin, which means you can kill the fat cells below without doing any damage to your skin.
That's really what we kind of latched onto, that simple concept, and then made a machine that actually does that for us.
In keeping with his butter analogy, he even showed us the picture of a patient just after the fat freeze, her tummy looking alarmingly solid. But he assures us once the fat melts, it slides back into place in minutes.
I like magic bullets. I love things, and actually all of medicine, whether it be surgery or pills, in some way or other, is a magic bullet.
Fat freezing might not transform lives, but there are a lot of people who will view it as a magic bullet. Look at Barbara Knoth's profile after 5 months. Radically different. No extra sit-ups, no starving, no surgery. She certainly believes it to be a pretty cool solution to one of life's most stubborn problems. For Nightline, I'm Claire Shipman in Boston.